Channel cares about you and your family. We get hundreds of emails every week from people telling us all about our network. Here's just one.
Cubo Channel is a great alternative to many other programs shown on television today. Children need a safe haven, and I believe Cubo Channel is it.
Now I'd like to hear from you. Go to Cubo.com/and let us know your thoughts about Cubo Channel. There you can enter to win some great prizes. People are talking about Cubo Channel. Got yourself into a dangerous